Welcome to this week's episode of 60 Seconds with the Superintendent. Well, nothing culminates a school year like commencement, and what a beautiful day it was. Let's take a look at some of the highlights from the class of 2021.
Welcome to the class of 2021 commencement ceremony.
So this class really had quite a few changes and had to adapt, and when you look back at this class, they really did show a lot of resiliency. The achievement was there from any other year. They didn't regress compared to their peers. They worked through it. You know, our top 5%, the number of kids who graduated with honors, it was unbelievable. It's amazing how tough our kids are here in Strongsville.
I know that each of you are capable of achieving great success if you take control of your life and choose to carpe diem. Seize the day. Thank you.
The preparation was really unique because, you know, you start preparing for commencement last year. So you're talking about, if you think back, the number of times the governor changed the rules because of the pandemic. You know, we were making plans that had 5 or 6 different variations, and then the governor threw us kind of a curveball like a week before with the June 2nd date. As tough as all those changes were, it all came together almost perfectly. Honestly, we had a beautiful day here. The kids were excited, the parents were excited, and we got to be there in the stadium and celebrate, you know, the class of 2021, which 6 months ago we didn't know what we were going to be doing.
We must let empathy become the driving force for progress, sparking innovation for the sake of humanity, free of selfish intentions.
Being a resident of Strongsville, having my own daughters here at the high school, you know, I know some of the kids, but this class in particular, I feel like we've been through the ringer together a little bit. We were contact tracing together. We were, you know, sharing the hardships. One of the highlights of my whole year was at graduation practice. As they're coming down, some of these kids, I got to see their faces literally for the first time. Like, that was just, for me, it was like just kind of the culmination of, we've been through it together and we get to see each other for the first time after, you know, 9 months of instruction. It makes you appreciate, you know, just how great our kids are and what they went through to get here.
And now, move the tassel from the right side over to the left. Congratulations, class of 2021!
On behalf of the Board of Education, our administration, and the entire school district, congratulations to the class of 2021. Whether you're going into the military, right into the workforce, or college, we wish you nothing but the best of luck, as we know you've got a bright future in store. As always, thanks for watching, and go make it a great Mustang week.